Let's take you to Gujarat now. Now, the state continues to reel under the impact of heavy monsoon rain. Specifically, if we talk about areas in Porbandar, relentless rains have triggered severe waterlogging in several areas, with roads completely submerged and local transport paralyzed. We're getting you drone visuals from Porbandar. You can see the impact of flooding that has hit the area in Gujarat, in fact. Remember, the situation turned dangerous in Madhavpur Gate. This is where a milk tanker was swept away entirely by flood waters on the Mocha Karacha road. In a swift operation, in fact, NDRF was able to rescue about 13 people who were trapped inside the vehicle, averting a major tragedy here. These are visuals on your screen from Dwarka as well. You can see the scale of flooding, in fact, in this area as well. The state has been witnessing continuous and heavy rainfall, which has led to waterlogging and flooding in several parts of the states, with streets waterlogged and rivers overflowing. Flooding has become clearly a very difficult phenomena for the residents of Gujarat at this point. Now, when we talk about the forecast, the Indian Met Department has issued a 7-day alert for Gujarat, warning of heavy to very heavy rainfall in multiple districts across the state. An orange alert is currently in effect for several areas, including Aravalli, Mahisagar and Kutch. Heavy rains are also forecasted for Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Surat, Jamnagar, Dwarka and several other areas. In fact, officials on the ground, they are urging residents in flood-prone and low-lying areas to remain indoors and exercise caution as Gujarat is bracing for more intense showers in the coming days. So that's the alarming thing at this point, that the rainfall will not be stopping. In fact, in the coming few days, it will continue. So therefore, residents have been advised to exercise caution, avoid non-essential travel if they can.